Namaste. Are you a builder, developer, or real estate agent struggling to generate consistent leads? Then this video is your roadmap to success. In today's market, traditional marketing is dying. If you want to sell faster, build trust online, and attract qualified buyers, you need a powerful digital strategy for that. Here is a simple 3-pillar real estate marketing strategy I am sharing with you. It will help you to grow your business in real estate industry. First point, lead generation funnel. Yes, you have to use Meta and Google Ads for targeting your clients. And you have to be very specific for Meta and Google Ads, like which segment you want to focus on, or which age group you want to target, and which interest or behavior you wanted to target. But mainly Meta and Google Ads is a totally different game. Meta Ads runs on the human behavior personality, but Google Ads run on keyword research. So mainly you have to hire someone who know about the Google and Meta Ads. Capture leads through landing page. Yes, landing page is the most important thing for real estate builders or developers, because landing page is the thing that your customer will saw first, is the first impression of your landing page. The other point is follow up with automations. You have to follow up automatically with your leads, otherwise the lead will not convert into your clients. Second point, brand awareness and trust. Use Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts for that. If you use Instagram Reels and YouTube Shorts, it will help you to engage with your clients, and you can generate organic leads from there. Feature testimonial, site progress, and teen stories. You can share teen stories with your audience. They love to watch that stories. Run retargeting campaign. After targeting your clients, run retargeting campaign for them. And third point, CRM and sales enablement. Use CRM tools to manage leads like Zoho, and a lot of other CRM tools is available out there. You can use any CRM tools, free and paid, both are available. Create urgency with limited time offer. Create something that shows to your clients like it's a limited offer, and it will be closed very soon. It will help you to convert your lead into a client. Next, align your sales team with real-time tracking. Track everything, whatever activities you guys are doing, track everything to improve your sales and everything. At Digital Synergie, we apply the same strategy to help our builder clients close deals worth 5 crore to 200 crores. Yes, so subscribe for weekly real estate marketing strategies, and if you are a builder looking for scale, DM us or visit digitalsynergie.com for a free consultation. Thank you so much.